philosophy of how human beings achieve success is one that goes back for centuries. Actually, there are so many different philosophers that came up with the same conclusion that it's almost like we keep discovering the same vein of gold over and over and over again. And that vein of gold is that we individually control our destiny. It's not someone else, it's what we're thinking that guides what we do, and that is what determines our level of success. So I'm going to share with you some pictures and the quotes that these people made, which you will see, you can recognize that they're all talking about exactly the same vein of gold. There are literally hundreds of experts who have discovered this same vein of gold. I'm going to mention only 7 of them in this brief video. The first one is Napoleon Hill. His quote was, "What the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." The second one is Earl Nightingale, who was a protege of Napoleon Hill. He came up with what he called the strangest secret. We become what we think about. The third one is from the great industrialist Henry Ford. He said, "If you think you can, or you think you can't, you are right." The fourth one is from the great philosopher and speaker Zig Ziglar. He said, "When you believe it, you will see it." The fifth one is Louise Hay, who is a more modern day philosopher. She said, "Every thought we think is creating our future." The next one is Andrew Carnegie, the great steel magnate. He said, "You will not be able to do it until you believe you can." And finally, Tony Robbins. Beliefs have the power to create and the power to destroy. And so there we are. You see, the idea is very simple. We control our destiny and nobody else. And if we can all understand that, then we have the much greater chances of being successful.